If you've never worn a jade bangle bracelet before, you might wonder, why are all the sizes in millimeters, not inches? And the reason for that is you want your jade bangle bracelet to fit as close to your wrist as possible. This jade bangle bracelet goes on my wrist very easily, but you can see how loose it is. It can clunk around and it can actually fall off. And when you have valuable jade, you don't want that to happen. You want it to sit as close as possible to your wrist. So what you want to do is measure your knuckles from the middle of this knuckle to the middle of this knuckle. And if you have millimeters, that's best. If you only have inches, then you can translate it. And mine says about 55 millimeters. So what I did is I cut out a hole in cardboard that was 55 millimeters around, and I slipped it on my hand to make sure it would fit right, and it does. And if it doesn't fit, if it's too small, then you can cut it a little bigger and measure the inside to see what size it really will fit for you. So I have a 55 millimeter jade bangle. It's a carved Dynasty Chinese jade bangle with double dragons, and I really like it, and it's 55 millimeters, and it goes on my hand with a little trouble, but it fits really good. It doesn't clunk around. It will slide up when I wear it, but it won't fall off and it won't clunk around too much. But let's say I found a Burmese jadeite bangle bracelet that I really like, and it's just about 2 millimeters smaller. It's 53 millimeters. What I'm going to do is take a plastic bag that I got in the produce department in a grocery store, put it over my hand and slide it down, and then slide the bracelet on. It goes on a little tight, but it's still easier. And it will also slide off. Like if you get a bracelet stuck on your wrist and you can't get it off, put the plastic bag on. If I tried to do this without the plastic bag, I'd have trouble getting it over this and this. So using a plastic bag can really help you get your jade bangle on and off. So once you know your jade bangle bracelet size, then visit us at jadeheaven.com. Look for that size and you will see a selection of what you can wear. That's Jade Heaven, Heavenly Jade for you.